short video explaining how to dimension the tool slot which is used for that shape for drawing this component. So just open one of the planes. I won't be saving just to demonstrate how these tools work. So the first one is center to center slot. So if I drew this one, center to center, then I put the dimension as given on the drawing, 12.5 for the radius, and then end to end, which is 40 mils. So the challenge with this one is that if I'm going to draw another one, then I just have to pick any place there and then another one there, and then I go up. So it's very unlikely that I get the exact same concentricity as I need. So I'll just delete this one. It's not appropriate. Then I try the second one, which is end to end. So still this one, if I drew another one over this, it's quite difficult to know where to start and where to end, especially on this side. So this one also doesn't work. Let's try the last one, which is center slot. In the center slot, I start from the middle, I move to the right. Then I put the dimension for the radius, which is 12.5, and then end to end, which is 40. So it moves from the actual datum, but that's not important because I can put it back anytime I want. So with this one, because it's a center slot, you start with the center, so I can still draw another one outside the original one. I put different dimensions. This one is 20, and then it is 60 side by side. So this now overall dimension works. If for any reason I want it here in the center as the datum, then all I have to do is to select it and then go to move. Already selected, get a precise base point. So I go this center and move that center to the origin. And say done, and that is there. So with this one, I can just make an extrude of that outside, which is 60 mils. And then I can do a chamfer this side. The chamfer is 5 mils. And then on one side there's a hole. So all I need is to click on that face and draw a sketch. So I just draw a hole here. I locate the center. Center is there. The hole is 6 mils. And this hole is 26 mils from the side of the chamfer. It should be 26. And then all I need to do is to go to extrude or letter E. Then is just to drag this arrow through, and I have a hole, and the drawing is complete. Okay, so that's it for this, and you can try it now on Inventor.